Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I want to show a simple recipe with snake gourd, the lesser known vegetable. This is called snake gourd, and I have taken two snake gourds, taken off the outer skin and made them into small pieces. So this is the ingredients are two snake gourd cut into small pieces. Curd, I'll be using almost half liter curd for this. Then coriander and curry leaves for garnishing, salt to taste, little oil, and the usual seasoning ingredients. First, to get started, we have to just I have already cut into small pieces. This has lot of water, so I'm just putting salt on this and just squeezing it, applying the salt completely. Let the salt gets absorbed into the vegetable. Just leave it for 3-4 minutes till it gives out water. Now it's almost 3 minutes. And see how it has given out water. We have to squeeze out this water from the vegetable. Since we have applied salt, automatically it will give water. See how much water it's giving out. Now this is the squeezed snake gourd. See how it is, and this is the water which has come out of it. So this snake gourd, now we will season it. Light your stove. It's a very simple recipe and it goes along very well with the chapati, puri, even fried rice, anything, or along with hot white rice as it is. I'm just putting little oil, very little. Now I will be putting little methi, right? Mustard and methi, and I will be putting little hing. Hing I am using GD hing. This I am putting 1/4 spoon. We will not be putting any more tempering on the raita. This is the tempering what we will be putting. So there are two options for this. Either I can put a red chili in this, or I can even add 1/4 spoon of chili powder on the raita, which will be more tasty. So I will be doing that. So first I have put the seasoning. Now the hing is splitting. Now I am adding my just to give it a mix. No need of adding any more salt to this because we have already put so much of salt and squeezed out the water. Now cover it with lid. Let it remain for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. So see how the snake gourd has become. It has become very less in quantity. All the water actually has evaporated. Now switch off your stove. Let us prepare our curd for the raita. Now I am whisking it little, only with a spatula. Just whisk it. Add little curry leaves, some coriander, Already we have added salt, so I'm just adding only a small pinch of salt for taste. Just adding a pinch of chili powder. You can see the quantity. That's all. And add your fried snake gourd to this. Give it a mix. And your yummy snake gourd raita is ready. Just serve it with hot rice, hot chapatis, hot jeera rice, anything it goes along with. And nobody will believe that such a tasty recipe can be made out of snake gourd. Just try it. Thank you.